Hi, Tony Bradshaw with AddSomeToYourIncome.com to share my thoughts on ways to add to your thinking so that your thinking becomes how to add some to your income. This is in connection with pins that are on Pinterest. I'm going to go through my Pinterest board that's called Add Some to Your Income. It looks like I have 499 pins on this board. Maybe during this process I'll add one more and hit that 500 mark. Not that I don't know. Maybe there's something will happen with that. Anyway, these are thoughts about being okay with making more money, mostly for me, because that's where it's been. For example, this first one I'm going to focus on. I am at peace with having a lot of money. As a teacher and in the upbringing that I've had, I've got to this point where I had to see that, hey, it's okay to have lots of money. It's okay to be a person with lots of money. For me, that was a great feeling to have. This quote by, looks like Tailored something or other. I can't quite see the name on it. Be a game changer. The world is already full of players. Your smile, that's your logo. Your personality, your business card. How you leave others feeling after having an experience with you becomes your trademark. Wow. It reminds me so much on when I talk about investing, to invest on yourself and how to improve yourself. Don't get paid for having ideas, you get paid for making them happen. This idea for me right now of making videos about ways to add to your income was just an idea. I am making it happen. This feels great, and I know that it can later really pay out for the future. Some money thoughts that were happening at this time that kept coming to me. People love giving me money. I just got handed $100 yesterday. This $100, this image right here on my Pinterest board actually happened. I won't go into too much of the details on it, but yes, yesterday, literally this exact $100 bill being handed to me. Here, I can pull it out and show you the $100 bill that was handed to me. Just a moment, gotta pull it out here. It is a gift, and it was, here it is, $100. It was handed to me saying, here you go, $100. I'm not just making this up, it's still in my pocket. It is a gift. The person wants me to do a certain thing with it. It's like, hey, I see you have a need. Here's $100. Go get yourself a couple pairs of jeans. Like, okay. I got my regular slacks and such, but my jeans, they are in need. It's been COVID, so like I like to go shop and try on the clothes and so I'm trying to stretch them a little bit longer. He's like, please, here. You're a teacher. Go get yourself some nice jeans. Anyway, so people love to give me money. Why? Because of who I am and what I've done for my life. Back to that, like how you leave people feeling. And sometimes I'm comfortable in jeans that are a little bit older because I am a teacher. I don't have to look wealthy. There was another quote here somewhere that was saying a lot of people are trying to work hard to be seen, and I'm working hard to just disappear, which is what most of the wealthy people do. They have their money and they learn to disappear from the world. Yeah, and I'm kind of that way too. I don't need to stand out with lots of attention just to me. I want to be able to help people, so they need to know about me. But at the same time, the vehicle I drive, the clothes I wear, where I live, it's rather different than what you might find out about what's really happening. I talked too much about this. Moving on. My income is always increasing. My income is always rising. I live a prosperous life. Here's a great affirmations to say. I like to get in front of them. This is the one I started saying just on my own. I am a money magnet. So I love that this Taylor Slango has also got that on here because I like to say that one. Money was starting to arrive in the mail, and I just started saying, I'm a money magnet. I'm drawing it in. It's coming to me. Money comes easily to me. It just flows my direction. I'm thankful that money is available to help bring comfort to my life. Money loves me. Like, I might pull up the picture here of when I stuck money all over my face, and it was my money magnet picture. Let's see if I can find that and show you. It was just kind of a like, it's okay. The money comes to me. I'm always have money. I always have money making opportunities. I know which ones I'll take in order to have a balanced life. Every day I'm attracting and saving more and more money. I receive lots of money out of nowhere. Now that thought for me, I still work at, like the whole law of attraction is interesting. I feel better about like gifting money to someone that comes out of nowhere. And it does. Truly, that $100 was out of nowhere. I didn't expect that. So I can accept that. Like it's that it's unexpected. And then I try to become linear and find, well, what was it I did in order to, and I've come up with saying when I give, I get more. And I've really stretched my brain to force it to see connections. And usually though, when the funds come, they just come. My income is increasing daily. Money flows to me from multiple sources. I'm just allowing myself to be open to that, and money finds its way. Money loves me. I'm receiving 50,000 unexpected income. It's a really interesting thing to say about, such in life, and then to see that happen. If you've seen some of my videos, you might want to watch the one about the waitress and how all of a sudden she got $50,000 and how that came about. That can happen. It's just the ability. The Pinterest thing for me is kind of my how do I say it, like combination of affirmation statements and vision board, resetting the wires on my thinking. Like, it's nice to go in here. I'm enjoying just being on here. You probably haven't made it this far into this video, and if you've made it this far in the video, I'm hoping you are enjoying hearing these thoughts of the way that the flow of money happens. I am connected to the universal flow of money. Now, this one right here, Dr. Courtney Baker, I like to reduce mine down to 7 types of income. This has 7 income streams. So what I'm going to do with this particular little piece, I'm going to say what those 7 are, and then compare them to and fit them inside of the 3 that I have. So the 3 that I have are your labor income, your passive income, and your gift income. As we look at these, so it says earned income for working a job. So there we go. That's labor income. Working a job, you get paid right away. Earned income. Profit income is from buying and selling. Investment income, dividend income, rental income, capital gains, and royalties. Almost all of those, all of those are under passive income. And it's not always just passive. There's a nice way of looking at different ways to get passive stuff, royalties. So you do your work, you are J.K. Rowling, you write Harry Potter, you get the copyright to it, so that whenever a book is sold, you get the money. Capital gains. Assets increase in their value, and you see capital gains. That's an increase. It's an income stream. You can use that as leverage for further things when you have those capital gains, and you do pay capital gains taxes in different ways depending on what it is, the capital is. Rental income, again, it's like you're working to collect that rent from people. You're renting out that property, you're working, so the passive is still working there. Stocks, growing and having dividends, interest coming in from lending your money, and then of course you're just straight up profit income when you bought something and then you sold it again. These are all items under passive income. The one that's not listed here is gift income. It's a little bit trickier to talk about. I feel like I'm one of these bold people that's maybe a game changer, and I'm willing to get in here and talk about gift income. And I'm willing to say I have connected the dots on how to increase gift income. Here's the key to having other people that worked yesterday that will gift you money. And that key is to give money. It's a flow. And when you start that water wheel, I was just over at my father's, and he has this water wheel. The water flows off of his little water fountain he's got, and he has it go straight into the water wheel, and it turns. When you start getting that water wheel turning, you get the meal going. You find yourself able to give money. More money comes to you. It is a law that happens. I'm feeling great about what I've talked about so far in these quotes. Obviously, there were 500 of them. I suppose I'll just click on this one, see which ones are suggested to me, pick one more to add to my my board, and it's not going to be a mattress one. Success is own, at least as a rent is due every day. Everyone is working to be seen. I'm working to hey, okay, yeah. The best lesson you can learn in life is to master how to remain calm, be humble, be hungry, always forget the mistake, remember the lesson. Consistency. These are all suggesting for vision board. I'm looking for money. I'm going to put this one on the money. Smart people think, brave people talk, great people act. And so I'm going to add that to my, not vision board, not focus board, not goals, but add some to your income board, making it the 500th pin on that board. There. Awesome. All right. I look forward to seeing you.